press the bell icon to never miss a video from POPxo Daily.
Hi guys, welcome back to another episode of POPxo Look Like a Star. When you need an instant upgrade, a red lip is all you need. So today I decided to do a red lip look that Nia Sharma donned very recently. So let's not waste any more time and get right into the video. So that was it for the video guys. I hope you liked it. Let me know what you thought about this look in the comment section below. Also, because you love our content, we have a surprise for you. Join the MyGlamm POPxo Insider program and get 150 rupees off on all MyGlamm products. The link is in the description box. And for more such videos, you know what to do. Like, share and subscribe to POPxo Daily. Bye.